Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to pause the tool loop by using interrupt, like explicitly handling tool calls. Now to be honest with you, I don't completely really understand this, but I wanted to make a tutorial on this if someone might find this useful. I couldn't really figure out a scenario when I would use this. So first, as usual, I have created a folder called first. You can name it whatever you feel like, and I am already into that folder. Now I'll just run npm init-y. It will create a package.json file for me. Then I'll just come over here to install few dependencies. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. So I'll install Genkit as well as Genkit-Google AI. Then we need to create an API key. So I'll just click on this button. It will open a new tab for me, and here we just need to click on create API key. And here we just have to use Gemini API, create API key in existing project. I'll copy this. Okay, we'll copy this later on. First we need to write some code, so I'll just copy this code, but don't worry, I'll be removing the most of it. So here I'll just create a file called index.ts. okay, and I'll just paste the code. Then I'll just remove this particular part, I don't need it, and I'll remove this particular part as well as this particular part. And here we just need to pass API key. Alright, so here we'll just copy our API key over here, paste it over here. So this is our API key. Let's come back over here. So let's see this example. So here they have just defined a tool, right? Const get weather AI.define tool. So we can come over here. So here they have given an example of this, because I don't want to write stuff out by myself. So I'll just copy this AI.define tool. I'll just remove this bottom part, we don't require this, we'll use it in a different way. So here we have just defined a tool, name is this, description is this, it takes an input passing the query, and here it just gives us, okay, I think instead of web search, there is other tools which they have given it properly. So yeah, this one, I'll use this one, get weather, so that I can explain it in much better way. I'll copy this, okay, and I'll paste it over here. So again, same AI.define tool, passing the name, description, input, location, and this is the output for it. And here we are writing our own implementation. So here is some static implementation which they have written. Okay, let's scroll down, and so yeah, this is the code, right? So we have already defined this. Then what they are doing is they are generating using these generate options, right? So I'll just copy that as well. So here is our generate options, and I'll just pass that like this. So here we just passed a prompt like what's the weather like Baltimore. So it will go inside this location string, like it will extract Baltimore. It is smart enough to extract location from this particular string. So Baltimore will come over here, and inside tools we just pass our get weather, and return tool request is true as well. Okay, then here again I'll just copy this particular part. Okay, and I'll just paste it inside the main function. Okay, so we'll add this particular import as well. So yeah, here you can see we have added all these imports. So inside the main function we define a variable called LLM response. Then we just do AI.generate, passing in this particular generate options, right? Then here we get hold of the tool request. If it is less than 1, that means we just break outside this while loop. Then here we just do promise.all. So here you can pass multiple tools if you want to. So here we are just passing one tool, but here what they have done is that they are checking the tool name. Now they are calling a case called special tool. There is no tool called special tool. In our case it is get weather. So in this particular case we will not get any response back. Okay, so here you can see this is the generate. We are just setting whatever response we get, and here we are just doing the prompt message as well. So later on you can, if once the loop has finished completing, you can either print out LLM response dot text, I guess, dot messages, or dot text messages, I guess, or you can use these generate options as well, dot message. So it's up to you how you want to use it. So let's try to run it. For this this will not work. Like I mentioned, we don't have a tool called special tool, but we'll replace it with get weather. Let me first show this to you. Okay, I think we have not created an API key, right? Okay, I think we created it, like I forgot, sorry about this. So in case if you don't know how to create, I think I told you guys, right? So you just go to this particular URL, just click on create API key, it will give you an API key, just paste it over here. Okay, let's come back, and here you can see we are getting this error saying tool not found. So it came over here, tool not found, because it was not able to find any tool. Now instead of special tool, I'll write it get weather over here. Okay, and then let's run it. Now it should be able to find our tool, and hopefully it should print the message for us as well. So here you can see role. Now the message is something like this, not in proper format, but yeah, you can just do a json.stringify as well if you feel like. json.stringify. Okay, let's just run it. So here you can see text, what's the weather in Baltimore, then the model, it gives us all this get weather input location. So we just want this, right, the output. So if you want, you can refer to this. Now I think I'm not sure why it is saying this twice. Maybe I'm not getting it, but yeah, I think that should be it. If you only have one thing, so I think we can directly do something like this as well. Messages, right? Inside messages, we need to call content. I think I had done a better way. Let me quickly check my sample which I did. Maybe I have done it in a better way. I'm not able to recollect it, sorry about that. So let me just open that. So what did I print? json.string llm response.text. Okay, so you can use llm response.text as well. Okay, I'll just close this and I run this again. So hopefully we will just get the current weather in Baltimore is 63 degree Fahrenheit. So here you can see. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.